Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up iMessage on your Mac to send and receive messages from your computer, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Click on the Messages app icon in your Mac's dock or find it in your Applications folder. The icon features a green speech bubble. Step 2. When Messages opens for the first time, you'll see a welcome screen. Click Continue to begin the setup process. Step 3. Enter your Apple ID and password when prompted. This is the same Apple ID you use on your iPhone and other Apple devices for iMessage. Step 4. Click Sign In to authenticate your account. Messages will verify your credentials with Apple's servers. Step 5. Choose which email addresses and phone numbers you want to use for iMessage on your Mac. Your iPhone's phone number will also appear if properly configured. Step 6. Select the primary contact method you want people to see when you send messages from your Mac by choosing from the Start New Conversations from drop-down menu. Step 7. Enable message forwarding if you want to receive SMS text messages sent to your iPhone on your Mac as well. This requires both devices to be signed in to the same Apple ID. Step 8. Your iMessage is now active on your Mac. You can start sending and receiving messages immediately. Adjust additional settings like read receipts and notifications and messages preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.